The mic is right here.
No, I wasn't angry. I was just like.
I didn't know.
She didn't know it was a secret.
What?
My mom.
No. We'll keep it.
I'm like,
Nope.
Ian.
I just called.
I just want to smell it.
Why would you want to smell it?
Have you never
Yeah.
tried eggnog?
We're doing it on Monday.
I didn't get Brenda's. Sad.
Because I didn't get
Just ask somebody.
I should have gave you my name.
Just ask.
Somebody else.
Just ask them.
You can figure out who got me and we can trade with them.
No.
Who got Brendan?
Do you like
That
it?
doesn't work like that.
You did?
I love it. Oh my god.
You don't want to say.
Shucks.
I know who got me.
Hater. I would love to know why I was not given a free
Go ask
Well,
Chris
he
to
got
buy
it
it.
and then he gave it to me.
Yes!
Just go say. nah.
Because he gave me a terrible
Oh, no, wait.
present
No.
last
He has it.
No, I have one.
She's already in class. Okay, I like pink.
And
I
now
like
I'm sad.
Pink, orange.
I hate
Yeah.
So you're a girl?
Gosh. You know what, Bennett? I hate the color pink, and I'm a girl. Last time I checked. I love the color pink. Every single shade of pink. Pink's my baby. I like black, but not pink. I hate pink.
Black girl, both pink.
I only like it on something.
I like
What?
I like blue.
Wait, Haley, what's your
I do
favorite
like
color?
blue.
I get blue when I was little, but.
Diane.
Ew.
Just rude.
I tend to like stuff that
Whoa,
people don't.
where's it going?
Go.
That's crazy.
Whoa.
Wait, I mean, yeah, I did it.
Why is it bending so far back? You just. Oh. Is Garrett sick? Trying to film. Where's Alex? Don't be mean.
What?
No, why did I say candy cane?
I brought candy canes.
Yeah, probably.
All right, class, this is what we're learning today. We're
You're
learning
fired,
what this is.
Ian.
I don't even know.
Get out of here.
Stop on the board and I was
So she starts like, if she takes like a 2-minute prayer.
Anybody need these?
No.
No, I already have some.
I have some.
Oh.
Why are we leaving my baby?
Let me let
You
Alex
could
speak.
just set them on the desk.
Wait, stop moving. This thing's moving all over the place.
I saw you.
It's moving
Shake
super
your
wild
head.
crazy.
Yeah.
I didn't start to see if I was looking at you.
Alex!
Wait, what?
Why are you yelling at her?
Is she there?
Oh, there she is.
Ian, stop yelling at her and
This
stop
thing keeps
doing-
on, this thing keeps on moving everywhere.
Ian, why are you so close?
Because it's not even,
That's
Working.
nasty, gross, disgusting.
it keeps on going like moving that way and stuff.
She bought it. You know what?
Who?
Where are you looking?
Alex? Alex? She's drinking orange juice.
Ooh.
We got candy canes today.
You both flat.
Mrs. Lyon.
Let it.
I actually put my hair for a second. Oh, Ian, tell them about. Tell them.
Candy cane?
We got it from
Bruh.
Mrs. Lyons.
Huh?
We got it from Mrs. Lyons.
Okay.
We get
Whoever can make
Mrs.
the
Carter
sharp really
for
sharp.
one of
Yeah,
our
whoever
review
can make the
periods.
sharpest point wins.
It's for our math review period. We get Mrs. Carter because Mrs. Hawkins has something
I'll
else.
be too tempted to buy it.
Yeah, me too. I will win.
It's the perfect like crunch. But it's
Minty fresh.
I didn't leave some
Right. We get both our people online.
I think just
I let
Oh.
both.
I like
Yeah,
those
he was
things.
just standing.
He just yelled by Alex, and I was like, you're right there.
Okay,
She
we're
couldn't hear me because she was at top.
continuing to work on the review.
Oh, review. I have my.
Got it? Okay. And I can come and ask or answer questions or help you on any of it. Me, right? Some of the calculus and physics.
Listen to Christmas music.
Huh?
You think we could listen to Christmas music?
Maybe. That's a good idea.
Fun.
If people are, gonna work good. What was the special occasion for the candy cane?
Christmas. Christmas. She went.
Do I have kids? That's all I need.
Like, last one, Merry Christmas.
I like those puffy peppermint candies that are soft.
Yes.
What do we do if I could eat too many?
Your review, our review.
So I filled in all of it and I did everything. Set number 30. We never read it. It was like a snap.
The hard one?
We never.
No, that's an exercise.
Ian, you're on number 30 on the study guide?
Nah, I was talking about something else.
Oh, I was like,
It was. Wait, what number are y'all on?
11.
19.
I'm like on number 5.
Okay. I haven't started.
I have.
I haven't started it.
I think I'm winning, guys. Look.
Let's
I have mine in my pocket. Me too. Ooh.
Stop.
I asked Cameron for dinner this morning. He said he finished it all during Christmas Eve.
Did what?
I
You
asked
probably
Cameron for
didn't.
gum. He said that he finished it all during the concert.
Gum?
Oh my gosh. Is that what you want for Christmas?
Jerry was in the
Why don't you
restroom because
ask
he
us
thought
for
that the
gum?
Red Air Choir had one more song, and then eventually when he started, and he was just standing in the
Jerry
back.
was still in the restroom. That's hilarious. You have to pee.
I didn't know
Dude,
that.
I was waiting for him to text what the plate was, and he put the new plate and stuff like that. I was waiting for 5 minutes. I was like, I'm eating it.
Oh, I was freaking out and I forgot to send it.
Why are you putting up?
She goes, my favorite thing was, can I get a drum roll? And it was like quiet in the front, but all of the like Red Air Choir was like,
And he goes, the hint she gave us was that the main character was a girl.
Yeah.
She went, it's called Peter Pan.
the main character was a girl because the girls didn't be playing.
Yeah, that's what my
Yeah.
dad said. He went, Peter Pan the musical? He's like, I love that musical.
Peter
And my
Pan's
dad does
played
not
by
like
girls.
It's
musicals.
not
Because it's too high
Peter Pan
for a guy's range.
No,
No,
It's
it's
too
just
high for a
and
guy's
plus he
range.
doesn't grow up and when he's
it's
like,
just that.
if Peter Pan was like, I
And,
don't
like,
want to
is
grow
it
up,
locked?
then it'd be
Is
kind
it
of weird.
locked?
He's lying. He's lying. He did that yesterday.
Oh. Mr. Belcher, can you help me with 20?
Yes, I'm
I
gonna
thought
get
Emily
situated
goes
here, and then I'm gonna help him with 30, and then I'll help you with 20.
Yesterday he was going, it's locked, and it wasn't. He was just.
I don't do that.
Yes, he did.
Never.
I'm on number 9.
Just
Sit down.
I've just turned this in.
Wait, who's the farthest along?
6 months.
Who's the farthest along? I feel with morning. I think you're on 19.
What?
20 now.
Okay, I will play
I would-
Christmas music if y'all promise to be quiet and you work on your tennis.
We can
Oh,
do that.
man, I don't know.
We can do that. Liam's not here.
Otherwise,
I like
you
you
don't
now.
get Christmas music and you have
I
to
like
leave.
Liam.
Are we allowed to ask for help for our classmates?
Yeah, I mean, quietly.
Instrumental.
No.
So pretty.
You're no.
Am I going on this?
Yes.
No, not like that. I mean,
Okay, 30. You have the questions?
It says like,
Oh, these guys.
some of the imagery released by the legislation transition.
Mine, yeah, I don't know what it's really called, but we can say mine.
I don't know, I haven't even heard of that, so I was gonna ask you.
We
about-
have learned it,
Oh, we have.
yeah.
Was I not here for that? or something?
You weren't paying attention.
Oh,
Okay, 3, 8, so I'll just say it. So, you're gonna use E equals HV over lambda equation,
okay.
but to get the, to determine the energy, to get the wavelength, that's where you have to find the largest electron transition in the line of series. So here's the line of series, you guys. Okay, feel these arrows? So the longest arrow is 94 nanometers. So that's the wavelength.
Right.
So convert that to meters, and put it in your equation, and find your energy, and then convert your energy from joules to electron volts. Did any of your formula sheets I gave you yesterday?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. So you know how to change nanometers to meters, right?
Yes.
This also tells you, but then when you go to energy, so I just read here, but 1 electron volt is equal to that many joules, 1.6. And then the negative 19, because it's electron volt is a little tiny better than energy, like nano is really tiny. Okay, so that's what it is.
Okay.
94 nanometers. per
Yeah,
year.
and I was like reading over it, I think we're like,
We did do this, no, this is
Okay.
not, we did not do
that's
that.
probably what confused me.
Oh,
I
yeah.
was
no,
looking
no,
at
no.
that and I'm like, oh.
No, it was,
E equals HV over lambda.
yeah, and you have HV on there too, somewhere.
Mhm.
HV.
Thank you.
Look, I gotta bind it.
Can I just do that on a
So three
separate?
greener.
Mermaid.
Can I just do it on a separate?
No.
piece
Yeah.
of paper?
Did you feel the sticky stuff?
I think the accuracy in the statement was worse.
That's when you get electronic equipment, it has a little clear plastic over the screen.
He told me he didn't even know he
It's the best. Okay, here, these used to have a side, I'll let you feel it, you can go. Out. Yeah. Or you can, turn over the,
I got
and you didn't know what you were going. Okay, so you have your review with you now too, right? And you have a question on 20. On the review. Yeah. So. Start from here, homogeneous mixtures, somewhere they say that that's the same thing as a solution. Aha. Homogeneous mixtures are identical with solutions.
No, it says.
Explain what solutions are. The solutions are homogeneous mixtures. And
Oh, you make a mess and it's in the layer. So it's basically just, like I said, stacking Legos in the wood.
I had it using.
and here they talk about suspensions and colloidal dispersion, which are other types of mixtures. And suspension and colloidal dispersions are heterogeneous. Okay, and they have larger particles.
Wait. You just have smaller particles.
Solutions have the smallest, smallest particles. And since he's wanting you, since it's wanting you to distinguish between the other types of mixtures, you probably need to distinguish that the other mixtures are heterogeneous. Those are the suspensions which will settle out, like that. Once you mix them, they'll settle out. And the colloidal dispersions which don't settle.
It's my hand that has it.
I know, but
Mr. Clean.
Using significant students.
right. That means, how far out do you go? What would you say that is?
One in office.
Yeah, if I'm going and how, okay, so it's one by point 1.2 like that. So 1.4. Is it already 1.4?
No.
So is it 1.3?
Yeah. 1.35.
There you go. That's it. You gotta estimate that last bit.
It's almost Christmas.
So the chapel didn't get you the Christmas spirit, but it was the peppermint, right?
So the 94 nanometers, it's gonna be the lamp.
Lambda, yes.
My brother was practicing.
It was fun, but it wasn't
My parents were practicing and no, if you don't know.
9.
Is that too loud?
It
Is that Christmas?
it's gonna take Westwood, but it got really jagged.
Ah. It says good swing, Wesless. Wenceslas instead of King. Yep. I'm cleaning out the cubbies. If y'all don't mind taking the markers and all the stuff out, I'll come by and pick it all up. Huh? That's all right. Good grief. You can throw it away.
Oh, they are.
This might be a ruler. Gosh. Did you do all this?
No,
No.
that's also from Brendan's desk.
Oh, I got you. That's a good idea.
How many millimeters squared are there in centimeters squared?
Well, there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. And so then you have to do that again because you're squaring it. Yes. Then you have to, are you squaring or cubing? Yeah. Well, that means you'd have to square that and square that. Like it'd be ended up being 100. Yeah, see all these the little tiniest marks are the millimeters, and then where it says 1, that's a centimeter.
Multiply this by 2.
You don't multiply by 2, you square it, which is multiplying it by 10. 10 times 10. Right.
So 1 times 1 is 1.
Right. Good job. Yeah, learn something.
For some reason, I don't have any markers.
Yeah, it's some of them have more than one, and it's gotten all mixed up now. Thank you. No whiteboards? There may be a big one and a little one. Oh, no, probably. Tissues. Oh, thank you. I know. Public school students were sharpening them into dangerous weapons. Whoa. Whose was this that I just kicked?
It's not mine.
Oh, this is Ava, isn't it?
Don't make her give it to me.
Hmm?
Don't make her give it to me.
Nah. Oh, she probably had it charging and I just stepped on it. Yeah. How does that plug in?
It's a magnetic one.
Ah, I got it. That's cool. Yeah.
What is this mean?
Record the length
Is it
measurement.
just like these little lines are?
Yeah, and so like if these are centimeters, like what would you call the length of this shaded thing? I mean, how big would it,
Millimeters? Wait,
if you're measuring it? 1 point.
1 point.
1.35.
Yeah. So you kind of estimate that last one. You know, it's one between 0.3 and 0.4. So you say 0.35. That's kind of the goal.
And then v is gonna be the speed of light.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, that's what.
And there's H right there, H and T.
Right.
Yes.
I know this is, but this would be physical.
Yes, because it's staying water, even if it becomes steam or whatever, it's still water.
And then this one,
Since it's like the eggs are turning into cooked stuff, so cooking is generally chemical. Yeah.
how many liters are in a milliliter? Or is it 1 milliliter to 1,000 milliliters?
1 milliliter to 1,000. Okay, think about a drink that you drink. Is that like a liter, half liter?
Sure.
Yeah, they're usually marked. And a milliliter is,
Small.
yeah, it's like,
So in 1 liter, there's 1,000 milliliters.
yeah. And another way of thinking about it, milli means 1,000. Okay, like if you look at
Alex, do you think
here,
eggnog is gross?
it's 10 to the 3, right?
Yeah.
And so if you say 1 milliliter, okay, that's saying 1 and then, okay, milli means 1 over 1,000 liters. So that's, 1 over 1,000. I don't know, that's probably not helping, but yeah, you just have to know that everything, all these are going to be smaller than the unit.
Okay.
And then these are the ones that are bigger.
Okay.
Yeah. Or I think they had another list. These guys over here, kilo. Okay, deci. All these are smaller, and then those are bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have lunch in there. Last period.
That house.
Do we have Spanish again?
Oh, yes.
See base units, but I don't actually see a definition.
Right. That's really frustrating. The base units, I wrote it down at one point. They're units for the fundamental quantities in nature.
Okay.
And there's only 7 of them. There's just 7 fundamental quantities. Everything else is built on that. I just found my desk there. Yeah.
We're all looking at her like, because she was nice for her. She wanted to be better.
Working on chemistry. Talk less, work more. The music gets turned off. What? Okay, well, let me know if you have questions on chemistry.
your main restroom?
Yeah.
Well, for the gold foil here, he shot alpha particles into a box.
No, the box came out. The alpha particles came out of a box into a gold foil or through a gold foil.
And some bells.
Yeah, and then some were deflected, but most of them went straight through. But some were deflected, so that made him think all the positive charge in an atom was concentrated at the center, the nucleus. Mm. Yeah, okay.
So Brian, here's the syllabus, and it's not all that big of a deal, except it does tell you how things are graded and what the supplies you need. And these are the basic rules, which are true everywhere. But the main, okay, we got lab safety. So you'll need to read over all this. But these uniform standards are pretty important. This is the materials and how we only use pencils, no pens.
This is a pencil.
Yeah. Okay. And then how neatness and all that, all this is because we want everything to look very professional, how you have to show your work. Only on the front, not on the back side. You have to have margins and you like work. If you're working problems, you go down this page and then you can go up and do another column. You don't go like across the page. And how to graph and stuff like that. So read over that. That's pretty important stuff because I'll just be expecting it. And so like I'll take points off even. Somewhere it talks about the heading, paper formatted. Let's see. Proper heading as specified is required. And that's what I have up there. That's what the proper heading is on the left. So that goes in your binder too. And there's also, have you gone to your school email account yet?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just now emailed you an invitation for a Google Classroom. And so you'll accept that and then I'll have you in there too.
Okay.
I need to do that with somebody else as well. Who was that? Anna's on there. Anna? No, she's not. Cow. Oh, ow. And also found a periodic table in cardstock. If you like it better, you can transfer things over to it. Yeah. And that'll be easier to find because it's pink. And most of these colored things are what you'll be able to use on your tests if you need to.
Okay.
That's the Trans-Siberian Orchestra. That's what I like. I want to play more by them. Yeah. And a lot of people, when they decorate their house with lights, well, if they get the lights to play to these kind of songs, really cool.
This is like the one song that you hear
This might be it.
like the song like the song Remember One. Just 'cause like it's like epic and kind of Christmassy.
Yeah. Is that too intense? Okay. Does not seem right.
Voice turn
And skip. The Wizards in Winter. Oh, this one they do with the lights too. I can't hear. What? Oh, it's one of those things. So these are the isotopes. You have to take that weighted average. Remember doing that? So these are percentages, right? So you got to turn them into decimals by moving the decimal over twice, right? And then multiply this and multiply these two and multiply these two and then add them all up.
Okay.
Did you get 0.0224?
Yeah.
I'm a little lost on how to do this. Because I have the density, but I don't know how to do the density.
Yeah, I don't think, well, that one you had density, but that's because of, they gave you a liter bottle. And this one you already have, let's see, you're trying to find molecules. So you're going to go from kilograms to grams, and then grams to moles, and then moles to molecules. What? What time does this class end? It ends at 35. 15 more minutes. If you go for 5 more minutes, we can go outside for 10.
Yay!
I've been working hard. Anything burning. Alrighty, guys, y'all want to go out play Gaga or? 10 minutes. 9:40, yeah. Okay, so you guys can take a 10-minute break too if you want to, or you can keep working. I'm gonna go ahead and end the session. So see y'all later.